In this video, we are going to look at a powerful trading view indicator called fixed range volume profile. So you go to tradingview.com, click on the three bars on the left, right, then you will go to products, then to charts, then the chart will load, and we are going to look at the chart for Euro USD. Alright, and where can we find the indicator? On the left side here, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the 7th, you go here on the prediction, you go here down at the bottom, fixed range volume profile. This is the tool you want, you click on it. And how does it work? We have to draw the swing points, and this is the swing point. For example, let's draw from here up to here, then you click, then to draw itself. So when you see this longest tick, it shows an area of highest volume. So you draw a rectangle around that area. So let me show you something. So when you draw this one, you can see it has acted as a support at the same time as a resistance. So let me show you what's happened, where you can use it to help you to predict the movement. See, let me pull out this tool, the path tool. So for example, like this is the higher row, right? This is the higher high, higher low, failed to break this high, right? Pushed down to this volume profile, right? Never made a lower row, pushed up, never broke this highs, these double highs, which we call double bottom or double tops. That is M pattern. So it reaches here, it breaks the volume profile, right? It retests this zone again, which we call the neckline of the double bottom, whether the double top or the triple top. 1, 2, 3, triple top. So after testing, it moves down, and you can see this kind of risk to reward ratio. Wait, hold on. Okay, you can see all this area, and if I can measure the risk to reward ratio that we're able to get, let me show you something. Hold on. So this is a short position. Let us see, for example, if you had entered here, right, then you take profit would be, for example, like this zone targeting the loss, right? And your entry, whether your stop loss, could be here, most probably. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe, share, and like my video. God bless your hustle.